Hi, I'm Kevin Archer, President and Managing Partner at Yoder Homes. For the past 20 years, we have been serving clients along the Sun Coast as a local trusted builder, specializing in design-build custom homes, remodeling, and most recently, pre-designed, thoughtfully crafted floor plans. At Yoder Homes, our team is passionate about building homes of distinctive value that bring your vision to life.
My wife and I decided we were going to do a remodel, and we contacted 3 builders. Dennis Yoder was the first one to call back. We met with 2 of them, and after meeting with him, it was very receptive, and here we are.
It was a very easy process. Everybody open to what we wanted. They looked at what we wanted. They presented to us what we had in our minds for our house, and then the process just started from there. We absolutely love it. We are so pleased with the process, with the results, with everything, and it is absolutely our dream home for Florida.
From start to finish, they were nothing but professional, and if I'm 72 years old, I'm not ready to build a new house, but if today were the day, I would choose them again.